Thank you for viewing our presentation on what Sandbox9 LLC can offer your business. We specialize in certification support and support with other types of documentation, as well as website design. Business owners tend to be very busy, concentrating on getting more jobs, managing employees. Let us take a little bit off of your shoulders, at least in terms of your website management or your online presence, or even documents that you need to fill out to send to the government, or to apply for your certifications, or to fill out for a vendor or supplier diversity program. We are able to assist businesses with obtaining and maintaining MBE and DBE certifications, as well as other types of applications. And we specialize in creating unique, custom, dynamic websites that fit your brand. Your business may be missing out on work by not being certified. We provide application support in many different forms. Once again, DBE, MBE. We also do BEP, vendor applications, supplier diversity, and more. If you have any questions about the specific certification or application that you would like us to fill out on your behalf, let us know, and we can let you know if this is one of the ones that we offer or that we can do for you. So the government sets aside jobs for people who are MBE or DBE certified. If you are not MBE or DBE certified, you would not be able to get these jobs. Therefore, those small businesses that may not be certified may actually be missing important work. The problem, however, is these applications tend to take a long time. They can take months to obtain. You have to gather a lot of documentation, organize that documentation, upload it, understand everything the government is asking for. It can be a lot. It can be very time-consuming and confusing. We assist with that. And then in addition, annual renewal is also required in order to keep the certification active. Also, you have businesses where the largest companies will only consider doing business with organizations that have registered in their supplier diversity or vendor databases. So if you have not registered, you're missing work there too. You're less likely to be considered by those organizations. You can fill those out on your behalf. Also, another common issue is that small businesses may not have the personnel or the time to be able to handle these applications themselves. We are able to save you time, and we can save you money. We understand what it's like to be a busy business owner, so we would be able to complete the application for you. Our process entails first, you filling out our application. It's made to be in conversational language. It's made to be in relaxing colors. It's not so overwhelming. And we don't ask all of the questions that the government does. However, we are still able to get all of the information. When you complete our application, you will have completed at least 90% of any DBE or MBE application that you would be seeking to fill out. Then we take that information and we are able to fill those out in an account that you provide for us on your behalf. If the agency has any follow-up questions or if anything is missing, we work with you to explain what the agency is asking for and to get that additional information. We also then follow up with you to make sure deadlines are met, and we get back to you for annual renewals in order to make sure that things stay current. Nowadays, 100% of businesses need a website. There are many customers out there who believe that if a business does not have a website, it's not a legit business. It could be some sort of spam or something dangerous. Businesses also need a trustworthy website. If you go on a site and it looks a little bit suspicious, your customer would be less likely to do business with you. Your website enhances trust. It adds legitimacy to your business. It allows people who are searching for your product or service to find your business, and you're able to advertise other things that you offer to people who already are interested in or like your brand. It's also important to have an email address at yourdomain.com. It shows professionalism. So many people get spam from email addresses at Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail. Showing that it's at yourdomain.com communicates a trustworthiness about your organization. Our websites are able to highlight your brand and show its uniqueness in a way that is different from everybody else. Our websites are easy to navigate, but they have a completely different style than anything you've seen before. They're also creative and engaging, and they give you full control of your domain, hosting, and email system. Those of you who have gotten websites before, a lot of times the web designer maintains control of your domain, your hosting, or your email system. That's not the case with our company. You have full access to everything that you need to do in order to run your website and control your email and have full control over your hosting. We also include basic ADA checks for free. If you're not familiar with basic ADA checks, you can actually run programs on each page of your website in order to make sure that things like the font color give you enough contrast, and also that the font size is big enough so that it's easy for people who may have difficulty seeing to navigate it. It also checks things to make sure that each of the pictures have descriptions. This enables people who are visually impaired to be able to use their programs to look through and read what your descriptions are so that they can still understand what the pictures are displaying even if they can't physically see them. We also offer SEO, which enables Google to find your business a lot better. We're able to bring design to any industry or project. You may think that maybe your industry isn't exciting, but we can still make a very designed website for your customers to see when they visit it. We specialize in bold websites, standout logos, impactful business cards, professional capability statements, and memorable resumes. Thank you for watching.